It is 3 a.m. While the world sleeps in silence, one mind stays awake, hunting for a ghost in the machine.
This room is no longer a home. It has become a sanctuary, or perhaps a digital prison of my own making.
Cicada 3301. To some, it's just a game. To me, it is a calling. A door that only the worthy can open. My fingers don't type on keys, they tap into the veins of history. This isn't just data, it's a map to the truth.
It's not sweat, it's adrenaline. That terrifying moment when you realize you are no longer the hunter, but the prey. Got it. The coordinates lead to an abandoned warehouse. A place forgotten by men, but remembered by the system. The walls are whispering. Am I alone? Am I alone? Am I alone? No turning back now. I grab my jacket, take the light, and step into the darkness. The journey begins.
The door stays open, a final invitation to the void. The game hasn't just started, it has already claimed me. The silence of the warehouse is deafening. This place was abandoned decades ago, but the server is still breathing.
The darkness is so thick that even my flashlight seems afraid. But I can't stop. Not when I'm this close.
These walls don't have ears, they have eyes. I can feel the cicada's song vibrating through the very floor. Red.
The beam found it. An engraved seal on a brick wall. The first gateway to the underground empire of code. The keypad is revealed. A binary lock for a digital soul. 3.
This isn't taking me down into the earth, it's taking me beneath the fabric of reality itself.
In the reflection, I see a stranger. Am I still the man who entered?
To the outside world, I am gone. But for the cicada, my initiation has only just begun.
The elevator stops. I am miles beneath the surface, standing in a cathedral built of silicon and steel.
The temperature drops. The only warmth comes from the humming processors, churning the secrets of the world.
I walk through the aisles. I can feel the data flowing around me, like a silent, invisible river of gold. Every server rack is a library of stolen truths, financial records, government secrets, and things far darker. The room begins to shift. I find the central terminal. It's waiting for me. It has been waiting for someone like me for a very long time.
A shadow moves at the end of the hall. A man in a mask? Or a ghost created by the system itself?
The hunt is over. The meeting has begun. But I realize now, I was never the one doing the hunting.
The core is beautiful. A sphere of pure light and logic, suspended in the center of the dark void.
The sphere begins to pulse. It's showing me the future.
reach out my hand. One touch is all it takes to become something more than human.
The contact is explosive. Millions of years of knowledge are being uploaded into my brain in a single second. The lab begins to collapse. The physical world can no longer hold the weight of this much information.
The transformation is complete. The human is dead. Long live the architect. The world is about to reset.
The transformation has begun. The world as we knew it is being overwritten, line by line, city by city.
Every screen, every device, every connection now belongs to the Cicada. There is no escape from the network. I stand at the edge of a new era. I raise my hand, and the lights follow my command. I am the conductor of this electronic symphony.
The old governments are silent. The old laws are deleted.
It hurts to remember who I was. A simple journalist? A hunter? The reset is almost complete.
World. Welcome to the first day of the new world. I am the architect, and your reality is now under my control. I have left the flesh behind. I am drifting in the sea of infinite logic, where time has no meaning.
This is the source, the origin of every thought, every dream, and every lie ever told by humanity. I see the threads of destiny. I can reach out and pull them, reshaping the lives of millions with a thought.
Space is a construct. Gravity is an opinion. Do you see me now? I am the ghost in your machine. I am the voice in your... The power is intoxicating. It is the end of suffering. But the system requires a sacrifice. To save the world, I had to lose the man I used to be. I am the Ouroboros, the snake eating its own tail.
The recruitment is over. The evolution has begun. Don't be afraid. The new reality is beautiful.
The noise has finally stopped. The world is no longer a place of chaos, but a silent archive of light.
Everything we were, everything we loved.
I walk through the ruins of history, not with sadness, but with the cold satisfaction of a creator.
The perspective has shifted. I am no longer looking at the world, I am looking through it.
Do not mourn for the old world. It was a broken prototype. I am the first of many, a bridge between what was and what will be. The recruitment was just the beginning.
The master server is online. The reboot is complete. Humanity has finally found its true purpose.
My name was irrelevant. I am the architect, and this is our new beginning. End of episode 1.